Oh my goodness. Oh. I didn't even know that was her.
Good evening. Tonight the junior counselors have set out to answer a question that I'm sure is on everyone's mind. What does Mr. Reichert dream about? Before us lays the typical scene of Mr. Reichert's slumber. It has been about a little over 48 hours since his last slice of lasagna, and every time that happens, his dreams get a little crazy. Let's see what happens.
Mr. Reichert's dream very breaking.
Catholic school dream. This is a reoccurring nightmare for Mr. Reichert ever since his school days. This setting is Sister Margaret's classroom at Mr. Reichert's old elementary school. The time is around 10 in the morning, year 1832.
Today, we'll be learning about the 10 Commandments. You get no food until lunch. As I was saying, we learned about the 10. Please no. What did I say about eating your lasagna?
I'm just so hungry and it looks so good.
Well, fine. It is just about lunchtime anyways. You may eat your lasagna, but after you're done saying, I will not eat lasagna in the classroom 10,000 times on the chalkboard.
998, 999, 1,000. I think it's time.
Mr. Reichert's dream. We don't know. Mr. Reichert's dream very brilliant lasagna. Will he ever get it? We don't know.
Next, we have arrived at Mr. Reichert's first date. This dream almost always follows the school dream. The year is 1845. Back in Mr. Reichert's college days, the setting is the Fleet Farm Employees Lounge, where Mr. Reichert made his money for tuition and met his true love.
So, you want to hear a cheesy pickup line? You, me, lasagna. Lasagna was good, not half as good as you.
You're so sweet.
Thank you very much. Looks so good. Go ahead. At least I still got my date. So, how you been?
Mr. Reichert's dream very brilliant lasagna. Will he ever get it? We don't know. Mr. Reichert's dream very brilliant lasagna. Will he ever get it? We don't know.
Finally, we have arrived at Mr. Reichardt's wildest dream. We will call it Reichardt's Paradise. The setting is Camford, the year 2015. And this won't come as any surprise to any of us, but Mr. Shields, Mrs. Shields, and Mrs. Kaz play a big part of this dream.
It's so lovely. I'm loving this. It's fantastic. Who goes there?
It is I, Mr. Shields. I'm sorry I'm late. I accidentally set my compass to 60 degrees. I'm ready to know Mr. Reichhardt. Here's the lasagna.
Your insolence, it is forgiven. This lasagna just looks so
For the final segment of Mr. Reichardt's Dream World, we're going to need the help from our lovely campers. You guys can just stay where you are and repeat after me. I think you'll know what we're doing here.
I don't know, but I've been told. I don't know, but I've been told. Mr. Reichardt's getting old. Mr. Reichardt's getting old. He likes his lasagna cold. He likes his lasagna cold. He is not a real man. He is not a real man. He should drive a minivan. He should drive a minivan. It remains a mystery. It remains a mystery. More a man than mystery. Well, we have Skit. We don't know. Thank you very much. Look at the hair again.
And his dreams came true.
We give the junior counselors a big round of applause. I guess what we're going to do here is you're going to say your name and what grade you are in, again, so everybody can hear you.
Matthew Tomaszewski, senior.
Trevor Goffier, senior.
Cameron Fisher, senior.
Brooke DeShane, sophomore.
Ruth Hudzak, senior.
Alex Barley, senior.
Lena Mertz, junior.
Hunter Mishka, sophomore.
Samara Olsen, senior. Sophie Dama, senior.
And I think all of us senior counselors, as well as the campers, would both agree that they have done an excellent job this year so far, and we're only about halfway through. So again, a big round of applause.